We have our Southwest from Santa Ana to Nashville. That's quite far away, but that's an American 737 from LAX to Raleigh-Durham. Bush cam. Well, we have a crossover. Let's leave them zoomed out a little bit, see if we can get them. No crossover, but they're still relatively close together, and I don't think the zoom's going to cooperate. Let's stick with the bottom one. I am not sure. Oh, is that the Gulfstream 550 that we had on radar? There's the 550. I'll go a little further up and see if the focus will cooperate. There it is. Will he cooperate? Yeah, a little bit. Back to bush cam. Twofer. This one looks like is that a Southwest? Check in a minute. Oh shoot, we got lots. Look at this. It's too many to keep track of right now. It's great. Does look like another Southwest though, doesn't it? Check this one for a second, and then we'll see if we can get the one right above my head. That's the one that just went above my head in that twofer we just saw. Nice. This is a latitude, citation latitude, from Brunswick to Telluride. I think I got it to focus a little better. Pretty sure that's the United 737-800 going from Washington to Phoenix. Very nice. Come back. There you go. Another United, maybe? Might be a 7.5. Come on, focus, come back. I'm going to go right by the sun, so I'm going to stop it there. Meow. Is that a regional? Certainly does look like it. Alright, so we're looking at a JetBlue. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the twofer or not, but we'll find out when I edit it, I guess. There's a private jet right there in front of it. I forget, that's going to NA. Recording a flight radar. This is our JetBlue. Going from JFK. Nope, it's not. It's going from LAX to Boston. Nice. Meow. And we've got an Air Canada from Toronto to Phoenix. There's an A321. And focus is gone. There we go. Come back. Alright, so this is the plane that my phone wouldn't pick up just a few minutes ago when I tried to go live, and it worked very well. I appreciate the guys that came out and tested it with me. Still don't know what it is, besides it being a plane. But anyway, about to go into bush cam. It's a Phenom 300. Focus, stay with it. Going from Dodge City to Montrose. And there's one just below it there. Let's see if I can move on down. There it is. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm about to check. Alright, so that plane we didn't know what it was is actually a Delta A320. And I just looked at it and completely forgot where it was going, but I know it's a Delta A320. This one is a Southwest 737 going from Vegas to Wichita, so not very much longer left in that flight. Try to get it when it gets a little closer. Twofer. Who's this guy? Don't know. Majority of it's white, so that tells me it's either Alaska or United. And me being me, I'm probably wrong. There is a Piper Malibu just above us. I'm trying to look for it, but it's at 16,000 feet. And those things, when they get up that high in the blue sky, they're really hard to spot. There's that Southwest going to Wichita. Kind of bummed out that twofer we just got. The one at the bottom that I didn't stick with was a UPS A300. The one above it was a United going to Newark. Alright, so I can't see because of the sun, but I think I'm pointing it in the right area for the twofer. Yep, I see it now. So the one going down is military, private jet. Well, let's say private jet, it's a military jet. This one coming towards us is coming from Aspen. And that is a longitude. So let's see if we can zoom in on that one there. we sure can we? There we go. We are really close to the sun, so I'm not sure if it'll pick it up or not, but that is a CRJ 700 going from Kansas City to Phoenix. American. Probably Mesa is what I'm guessing. We got a Challenger 600. Origin and destination is unknown. But it's obviously coming from somewhere and going to somewhere. Tree cam. This is a United 319, A319, going from Tucson to Chicago. Hopefully the focus is cooperating, but this is a Primair 737-800 going from Riverside to Kansas City. And folks, I think we're going to end on this one, because I am getting hot. My goodness. So yeah, we'll go ahead and end on this one, hopefully. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. That is a beautiful plane. Nice livery. Anyway, thanks for joining me, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.